Hi, on today's video I'll be showing you how you can make turmeric shot. This shot is for everyone, men, women, young and old. Here are the ingredients that you need. You'll find our measurements in description below. I have some oranges, lemon, ginger, fresh turmeric, pineapples and carrots. They are all fresh. You can use turmeric powder or ginger powder, but I prefer to use the fresh one. I'll be using my juicer to make this. If you don't have a juicer, you can use a blender. Just put some water in it. All of my fruits are now washed and cut into smaller pieces that can work for my juicer. I'll be pouring in my lemon juice into the juice bowl before I started placing the fruit into the juicer. In that way, it's cooperates all together. And like I said, if you don't have a juicer, you can use a blender. Just put some water, place all your fruits, blend. You can put as lot of water as you want, then you can just sieve afterwards. This turmeric shot, guys, is the bomb. It's one of the best shots. It contains vitamins, loads of vitamins and minerals. It helps with pain. It's anti-inflammatory. It helps to digest the immune system. You can take it in the morning before you had your breakfast. I give it to my kids. My whole house drink this because it's one of the best out there shot I've ever made. And you should try yours today. Give it to your family, your friends, your loved ones. They will thank you because this is one of the best shots. It has a lot of benefits. You can get a large bottle just like I did for storing, or you can get a smaller bottles to make it into a shot and to carry it along anywhere you're going. You can store this in the fridge for about a week. And trust me guys, this is the best. It helps with everything. Your skin will be more clearer. And if you try this, don't forget to let me know in comment.